Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you where to get the best Canva discount promo codes. So I'm gonna show you 3 trusted coupon hubs. So first is from Deal is Potter. Just search for Canva here for search for brands. Click on search and then these promo codes will show. Just like this one. There are a lot of available promo codes, but most of these are unverified, but make sure to try it. For example, here 3 months free on select items. Just click show coupon code and then copy this one and then use it on canva.com. Next, trusty coupon hub is from Dealdrop. Just search for Canva here and then same process goes. Click show coupon code on which promo code you want and then click no thanks. Welcome new users, copy it and paste it on Canva. Lastly, let's go to simplycodes.com, search for Canva. There is a one verified promo code here, but then the others are unverified. But of course, make sure to try it. And then another one, there's one deal here. Make sure to not miss it. So basically that's it.